Thinking about turning your laptop into a crypto mining powerhouse and raking in XRP? Let's get real about mining XRP on your laptop. First, let's squash a common misconception: you cannot directly mine XRP. XRP is not based on a proof-of-work consensus mechanism like Bitcoin, which is what allows mining. It relies on a federated consensus protocol, meaning no mining involved. So, what are your options? Forget direct XRP mining. Instead, you could mine other cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum or Monero, that are mineable using your laptop CPU or GPU. Step 1. Choose a mineable cryptocurrency. Step 2. Download and install suitable mining software for your chosen crypto. Popular options include Xrig for Monero or Trex Miner for various mineable coins. Be sure to download from the official source. Step 3. Be warned: mining on a laptop can strain your hardware, leading to overheating and potential damage. Ensure adequate cooling and monitor your laptop's temperature. Step 4. Once you've mined enough of your chosen crypto, you can then exchange it for XRP on a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Mining on a laptop might not make you rich, but it can be a fun way to learn about cryptocurrency. Remember to factor in electricity costs and hardware wear and tear before you start. Good luck and happy exchanging.